Here is a beautiful blue tourmaline specimen from the Santa Rosa mine in Brazil. It does have a few issues and I'm going to try to fix it up today. First, I'll try to remove some of the stuck-on dirt. This specimen was sawn at a bit of an angle and the saw grooves were never polished out, so I'll be fixing that as well. First, I'll remove as much of the mud as I can from the outside surfaces. I tried using a dental pick and a little bit did scrape off. I then switched to a high-pressure water gun to reach the surfaces that the pick couldn't. It's a good idea to use a glove with one of these, because if the water jet hits your hand it does hurt a bit. Cleaning specimens this way can work really well, but the water jet can chip fragile specimens, so it's best to be careful and not use the highest pressure. I couldn't get all of the mud off, but I did make some progress. I also cleaned up a few hyalite opals from Mexico that had some pocket mud on them. Next, I decided to fix the bad cut on this specimen. To fix the angle, I used a 6-inch diamond-sintered flat lap attached to my cabbing machine. After a bit of grinding, it was time to move on to the wheels. Grinding and polishing a flat surface on round wheels requires rotating the stone clockwise and counterclockwise to avoid curving the surface. My steps are 280 grit res, 600 res, 3000 res, and 14,000 res. I finished polishing with a canvas polishing pad and diamond paste. I find that aluminum oxide polishing powder also works well on tourmaline. Here are the results. I wasn't able to get all of the dirt off with physical cleaning methods, but chemical methods might work to further clean it. I think it looks good enough for now, and I'm happy with the improvement so far. The polished surface cross-cuts the specimen at less of an angle now, and the saw marks are all gone. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more geology or lapidary content, let me know in the comments what topics are most interesting to you. If you'd like to further support the channel and grow your mineral collection, please check out my Etsy store.